Hello everybody, so this is me again. Gonna be rebuilding my fort, so basically just gonna be rebuilding it right away. Got some few sticks that I chopped down. This is gonna be the inside. Yeah. Right, Laika? So yeah. Okay, so built it up. And yeah, but this is all gonna be covered with green grass, so it's not gonna look like that. So let's go inside. Okay. There we go. It's nice inside. That used to be my chimney. Cover that up. Yeah, I know there's dirt there, but okay. So this is this side. And yeah. Still gonna make this side. Door's pretty good. So yeah.